If you've noticed Google Chrome crawling along, lagging, or freezing on your Windows 10 or 11 computer, don't worry. You're definitely not alone, and there's a step-by-step way to help get things running smoothly again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do to speed up Chrome, fix those frustrating freezes, and enjoy a much smoother browsing experience. Let's dive right in. The very first thing I recommend is simply restarting Chrome, and if that doesn't do the trick, go ahead and restart your entire computer. It might sound basic, but closing and relaunching Chrome can clear out minor hiccups or glitches caused by temporary files or memory leaks. Restarting your whole computer goes a step further. It refreshes the system and sometimes resolves background issues you weren't even aware of. Don't worry if this takes a minute or two. Think of it like giving your PC a quick nap and a fresh start. Next up, tabs. If you're anything like me, it's easy to end up with 20 tabs open all at once. But here's the thing. Each tab eats up your computer's memory. Leaving too many tabs open can quickly bog down Chrome's performance. So take a moment to close any tabs you're not actively using. Imagine your computer like a desk. The less clutter, the easier it is to find what you need and work efficiently. Now, let's clear out Chrome's browsing data. Over time, cached images, cookies, and site data build up and can start to slow things down. Clearing this out gives Chrome a clean slate to work with. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Here, you'll want to choose a time range. If you've never done this before, picking all time is a good way to start fresh. You can select which types of data to delete. Usually, cached images and cookies are the main culprits. Click Delete Data and give Chrome a few moments to tidy up. If things still feel laggy, it's time for some advanced troubleshooting. First, try disabling hardware acceleration in Chrome. Sometimes this feature, which is supposed to make things faster by using your computer's graphics hardware, can actually cause conflicts, especially if your drivers aren't fully up to date. Head over to Settings, then System, and turn off the toggle for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. You'll need to click Relaunch so Chrome restarts and applies the change. Extensions are another common source of slowdown. Go to the Extensions menu under More or Extensions, Manage Extensions, and disable all of them. Check if Chrome's performance improves after that. If it does, you know one of your extensions is the culprit. Re-enable them one by one to see which one is causing trouble. Think of it like unplugging appliances from a busy power strip and then plugging them back in, testing each for issues. Security is important too. Run a malware scan to make sure there's nothing malicious hogging resources. Even a small piece of unwanted software can slow Chrome dramatically. While you're at it, ensure both Chrome and your version of Windows are fully up to date. In Chrome, go to More, Help. About Google Chrome to check for browser updates. For Windows, open Settings, then Update and Security, Windows Update, and let your computer find and install any critical updates. If you're still not seeing improvement, resetting Chrome's settings might help. This returns things like your startup page, new tab page, and search engine back to their original defaults, and disables any extensions. Find this under Settings. Reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. Don't worry, your bookmarks and saved passwords will remain intact unless you choose to delete them. And as a last resort, consider reinstalling Chrome. Uninstalling and downloading a fresh copy can clear out deep-seated problems that none of the other steps touched. It's a bit like completely clearing out a closet and starting over with just the essentials. Alongside all these Chrome fixes, take a peek at Windows Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ES, to see if Chrome is guzzling more CPU or memory than usual. If you spot any specific tabs or processes taking up too many resources, you can end those directly. Also, check that your PC has enough free disk space. A crowded hard drive can slow down everything, including Chrome. And that's it. You've just worked through all the most effective ways to tackle Chrome lag, freezing, and slowdowns on Windows 10 and 11. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if a particular step solved your problem. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.